Do you have a garage that looks something like this? Because I want to show you how to turn it into something like this. Follow along. The latest garage renovation project took place over at our house, and we wanted to turn it into something that was more efficient because, as you can see right now, it's just a total disaster. So this was before my YouTube times. I didn't record anything. We just have a bunch of pictures, and it's going to be a slideshow. I'll put some music behind it. We'll speed it up a little bit. And then if you have any comments or questions that you want, please comment below and I can answer those for you. But watching this time lapse, you'll be able to see how I was able to renovate my garage into something that was not practical, into something that I use every day and is absolutely amazing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Quick summary, as you saw, I took everything out of the garage. We fixed some sheetrock, we painted the walls. I built custom elevated shelves that were able to hang from the ceiling. I also made an area that was utilized between two garage doors where everybody forgets about that. Yes, you could put storage up there if you just customize those shelves. Thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you could do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe because I'll be putting out more content for you to check out. Until next time, stay handy, my friends. See ya.